Today we're going to use Weavy to create a multi-composition workflow. We're going to be doing 9 images with just one frame. We're going to do it with Gemini Pro. So we're going to open the platform and we're going to do a new project. Now I'm just going to import my keyframe. And I would like to have at least 6 or 9 images. The first thing that we're going to do is run an LLM, and for this case I'm going to be giving it a very simple prompt. So basically what we're going to ask is to create 9 different images, including some specific ones that I already have. So I'm just going to tell it exactly what the images that I want, and then I'm just going to let the LLM to decide the other coverage images. Once we are done doing our prompt, we're just going to connect the dots. And let's use the Gemini 3 Pro. And let's just leave it working a bit. As you can see, the prompt are separated by an asterisk, like our command, and with a number. I put 7. I'm just going to put 9 actions, and it will read the image and it will think of what to do with it. So after reviewing the code, we're going to do another step. Now we need to separate those prompts. For that, we're going to use an array. So you're going to find here the array. And if you see, the array automatically detects where you want to split, and it will split it in. So I'm just going to use an asterisk because that's what I did to split it. And if you can see, we have the 9 prompts separated one by one, and now we need a way to separate them. We're going to do a list selector, and this will select one prompt from the list, and you will just need to duplicate this until you have 9 different list selectors. You can just put them in the order that you see more logical to you. I'm just gonna put them like this because this is the way I kind of don't get lost. And now we're just going to connect the dots, and we're going to select one prompt from the 9 prompts that we have, and so we can cover the 9 of them. We already have our prompts, but we're going to use Nano Banana Pro, and we just connect the prompt, and we're going to be using the image that we used in the first step. But first I'm going to create the 9 Nano Banana nodes and set it up with the prompts so I don't forget to do it. So I recommend you to be organized with this, because otherwise when something goes wrong, it's more difficult to find an error. So just keep your files organized and your nodes organized too. And now we're just going to duplicate this image, and we're going to use a router, and I'm just going to drag that image. So I will just keep one image, and I can just feed the, I'm gonna end doing the prompts first, and then I'm just going to connect. This is our image, so we're going to connect it to the image in Nano Banana Pro, and I'm just going to run them like this. I think I'm pretty confident that this will work, and we'll see if it works at the first without having to fix anything. I'm just gonna run them all. And this is how it looks, our node tree. And this is a design that I saw in one of the Weeby tutorials, but I think it was for another thing, but it was kind of similar process, but I wanted to explain it in my how I perceive it, and I think it works very well. I like all, and it has the images as exactly as I put them, the ones that I wanted, and it gave me different options of what the character could be doing, and it was just with a few prompts. So I'll be sharing this kind of tutorials and workflows. This one, you can find it in the description. And if you want any tutorials or guidance, I really hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.